African lion. Most lions avoid humans. That fact has a limit because once a single lion makes contact and finds it easy, the behavior spreads through the pride through observation. Tsavo, Kenya, 1,898. 2 lions, 9 months. A railway project stopped. Workers dragged from tents at night. 35 confirmed kills. Local accounts say 135. Tanzania, 1932 to 1947. 1 pride. An estimated 1,500 people. The deadliest animal attack series ever recorded. The pattern is always the same. First contact, successful kill, behavior learned, behavior passed on. The lion doesn't need generations of evolution to start hunting humans. It needs one attempt that works. The evolutionary gap between you and prey isn't biological. It's opportunity. Take that away, and the lion never starts. Give it once, and the pride remembers. Mosquito. The deadliest animal on Earth has no claws, no fangs, no venom it even chose to carry. It weighs 2.5 milligrams, and it has killed more humans than every war in recorded history combined. Here's the part most people get wrong. The mosquito didn't evolve to kill you. It evolved to drink your blood. The diseases are parasites. They hijack the feeding process and use the mosquito as a vehicle it never consented to be. Malaria, dengue, yellow fever, Zika, none of them are the mosquito's weapon. They're passengers that evolved to outlast both of you. The mosquito finds you by your breath. Carbon dioxide from 50 meters. Heat signature. Skin chemistry unique to your body specifically. It lands, numbs the bite site, feeds, and leaves. By the time you feel the itch, the transfer is already done. The question isn't how something this small kills this many people. The question is what's actually doing the killing the animal or what's riding inside it. Box jellyfish. No brain, no heart, no decision-making of any kind, and it will stop yours within minutes. The box jellyfish has been killing large animals for 500 million years, long before humans, long before most things alive today. Its tentacles up to 15, each 3 meters long, are lined with millions of harpoons that fire on contact. Not by choice. Automatically, the venom hits the nervous system, the skin, and the heart simultaneously. Cardiac arrest in 2 to 5 minutes. It didn't build this to kill humans. It built this to stop struggling prey from tearing apart its soft body. We just happen to be large enough to trigger the response. What makes this worse? It can see you. 24 eyes. Full 360-degree vision. It navigates. It moves with purpose through the same warm water you're swimming in. And it cannot tell the difference between you and anything else it has ever killed. Hippopotamus kills more people in Africa than lions. This surprises everyone who hasn't seen one charge. 3,000 kilograms, jaws that open 150 degrees, 30 kilometers per hour on land. Their territorial aggression doesn't scale to the size of the threat. A canoe crossing into their stretch of river gets the same response as a rival hippo. Fishermen, children swimming, villagers collecting water, all regular victims. The hippo didn't evolve to hunt humans. It evolved extreme aggression to compete with other hippos. You enter its space. It doesn't distinguish. The outcome for a 70 kilograms person is not comparable. Saltwater crocodile, 3,700 pounds per square inches. The highest bite force ever measured in any living animal. This didn't evolve to kill humans. It evolved to crush turtle shells and pin large animals at the waterline, and it's been doing exactly that for 200 million years. We arrived recently. The crocodile's biology was already finished. When something approaches the water's edge, the sequence is instant. Launch, clamp, death roll. The roll doesn't just drown you. It dismembers simultaneously. Hundreds of deaths per year across northern Australia, Indonesia, and Southeast Asia. Most go unreported. They patrol rivers, estuaries, and open ocean. The crocodile's hunting logic has been the same for 200 million years. Nothing about the arrival of humans gave it any reason to update. Blue-ringed octopus, 30 grams, fits in your palm. Enough venom to kill 26 people, and no antidote has ever existed. The bite is painless. You won't know it happened until your muscles stop responding. Then your breathing slows. Then it stops. You remain fully conscious while your body shuts down completely. The only treatment is someone manually breathing for you for hours until the toxin clears on its own. When threatened, the rings pulse bright iridescent blue. This isn't a lure. It's the opposite. In nature, pulsing color means one thing: do not touch. Every predator in its environment learned that signal over millions of years. Humans never did. We pick them up in tide pools because they're beautiful. The octopus isn't trapping you, it's warning you. You just don't speak the language. Great white shark. It detects blood at 1 part per 10 billion. It senses your heartbeat through the water, using organs built specifically for that purpose. It evolved to hunt seals, and it was doing that millions of years before humans entered the ocean. From depth, looking up, a swimmer's silhouette against the surface is indistinguishable from a seal. That's not aggression, that's misidentification. Most attacks are a single bite, not because the shark stops, because one bite from a great white ends the encounter before anything else can happen. It was never hunting you, it was hunting the shape you made against the light. You entered the detection range, the rest was automatic. Inland taipan. One bite. Enough venom to kill 100 adults. 50 times more toxic than a king cobra. Strikes 8 times in a single sequence. This looks like overkill. It isn't. The taipan hunts rats inside narrow rock crevices, spaces so tight that if the rat isn't stopped instantly, it bites back and the snake can't escape. So evolution didn't build maximum lethality as an end goal. It built instant shutdown to protect the snake from a cornered rat. The venom is perfectly proportional, just not to us. We receive a dose calibrated to stop something the size of a rat fighting back in a crack in a rock. The taipan has no interest in humans, but the chemistry doesn't ask what you are before it starts working. See you in the next video. Goblin shark. Its family line stretches back approximately 125 million years. Subscribe if you made it this far. Like the video.